In the future, in our larger Dharma center, I want to have a Vajrayogini chapel. And I want it to be huge. And I want to have a huge statue of Vajrayogini inside. And that chapel will have her mandala, will have her practice, her readings, her commentaries, her writings, everything there. And that chapel will be only for people who do Vajrayogini's practice, to do secret practice of Vajrayogini. There's nothing evil, or so we don't, cut goat's necks and offer to her, no la. Secret as a mantra, the meditation cannot be exposed, revealed to people who have not read. So I want to have the Vajrayogini chapel up there where we gather to learn, to practice, to meditate, and to accomplish Vajrayogini. And I want Kichara, KWPC, the whole land to be blessed by Vajrayogini. And I want people there to have visions of her. And I want people to see emanations of her. And I want people who ever enter to feel peace and solitude and quiet and coolness blessed by her presence. And I also want to have a Vajrayogini peace stupa there. The stupa inside has all Vajrayogini images and mantras like quadrillions, zillions, billions, so that whoever circumambulates around the stupa will connect very strongly with Vajrayogini and purify their karma. And that's why the whole organization is based on her. The name of our organization is Kichara. Kichara is Vajrayogini's paradise. And the bomb logo is Vajrayogini's mind in the form of letter. So the bomb next to it, the symbol, that is used in the highest meditational practices of Vajrayogini. This is a symbol of Kichara, right? This represents Vajrayogini's mind. I can't teach you now, but there's a meditation that goes along with this, that these are 4 elements, the dissolution, and when you meditate on this correctly, you will gain power over rebirth. So to gain the power over rebirth, that means when you die, where you reincarnate, you can control. Oh, don't doubt me on that one. You can doubt me on anything else, but don't doubt me on that one. You can gain control over your death. When you die, you will gain control of leaving your body, and you will see yourself leaving your body. And you will gain control of where and who you take rebirth with. You will even see your mother and father clearly before you enter her womb, if you do this meditation correctly. It is a very top secret guarded. You will not get the secret practice anywhere. You can read it, it has no effect if the Lama does not authorize you. You have to get the oral transmission, the actual meditation, and then the Lama teaches you, then you'll be authorized to do it. Simply getting a book and doing it, no effect. None. It's called, no, English don't have name. The symbol itself that you guys see every day, do not think it's just some nice design that came up. The symbol itself represents Vajrayogini's subtle, clear mind, the mind of alignment. And the meditation upon that symbol, there are steps and stages. You just sit there and look at it. No, the symbol does things in the meditation. You make it do things. When it's done correctly, it will give you the power of death and rebirth. Do not doubt the Tibetan Lamas who come back. And when they're 2-3 years old, they recognize their previous lives. They recognize their objects they use and people and names they can tell you. Do not doubt that, because I've seen it with my own eyes, and it's happening right now. In fact, a few High Lamas have been recognized recently. One of them is Guru, recognized. They recognize things from their previous life. They recognize names and places. Oh yes, clearly. And you can bring in things in their previous life, but replicas there, they'll pick out exactly what belongs to them. Clearly. So therefore, reincarnation is for sure. There's no doubt of it. But whether you reincarnate like someone tossed into violent winds and you don't know where you're going to land, or like someone who has full control, is up to you. So if you spend your life on fun, on money, on bills, on pleasures, then when you die, you'll be thrown to the winds. It's just chance where you end up. So when we do Dharma work, our goal is to achieve Vajrayogini's practice. All the years we put towards it, is to collect the merit to prepare for Vajrayogini's practice. Does everybody understand? So everything I develop for Kichara has a meaning, has a background. It's just that people don't understand. Even you guys seeing her symbol is a blessing. Because it's her mind and her body and her speech in the form of word. So people don't know. I can't put a naked body all over the place, can I? It'd be a little, for Malaysia, it'd be a little too much, too conservative. So I put her speech. It's not something I made up, it's in her tantra.